and welcome to Godrej Interior Upload and Transform Season 2. A big warm welcome to all of you from the melting pot of tradition and modernity. Chennai, a city known as the gateway to South India. Sprawling and busy, yet conservative. Chennai is also the home to Ritu Khandelwal, the winner of Godrej Interior Upload and Transform contest from South India. Ritu works as an associate process manager with a multinational bank. What did she do to win? Click and upload a picture of her home. Hi, Miss Ritu.
Yeah, hi.
I am Tanvi here on behalf of Godrej Interior with the team of experts to transform your home. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Please welcome.
So how's the feeling?
I'm just out of words. I'm so thrilled and excited.
आपको पता था इन्होंने अप्लाई किया है?
No, she wanted to surprise us.
So for how long have you been staying here?
It's been around 10 years. I've spent very emotional moments and few good moments with my grandmom, and I've spent few good moments with my sister. Pre-jitters of her wedding happened here, so that's what I remember.
Well, how had you applied for this contest?
In Facebook, I just came across. I was like, okay, let's apply.
Why have you selected this place for the transformation?
As of now, the living room is very dull and boring, you know. There's nothing exciting.
Cool. So what are you expecting?
The seating area should be, comfortable. The look and the feel of the house should create such a positive energy. The colors should be vibrant.
And the best part about the house, I think, is there's a lot of wind and light flowing.
We are blessed with the natural elements of nature, you see. My balcony is very breezy. So that's the best part of the house, because half of the time I spend here.
It's time to call our expert, Nazneen. So Nazneen, what do you think we're going to do with this?
So when you look at this room, and even what she felt is that there's no color. It's a little boring, which it is with the colors that are there right now, looking really dull. So what we can do is go for brighter colors that really freshens up this area.
And how about the current layout and the furniture?
Yeah, layout wise, there is a nice layout in place. We'll follow that pattern because it suits the room. But right now this furniture is really outdated. We can give them better furniture, more comfortable, that also goes with the look.
The TV space is really empty.
Yeah, it is empty. They just so that they have some place to keep their devices. They put a glass shelf. But we can give them a nice unit. They'll have their storage space as well as they can keep all their devices.
And I am really excited about the balcony.
Even I'm really excited about that because we've never done an outdoor area before. She doesn't have anywhere to sit outside, and it's nice, it's breezy. So yeah, we can look at some furniture that we can give them for the outdoor area and make use of that space.
Cool, I am really looking forward to this transformation. As our winner, Ritu mentioned that she spends really lovely time in the balcony. The Godrej Interior team decided to give her a sweet surprise by transforming the balcony space as well. Let's go and meet Nazneen. So Nazneen, what kind of look have you planned for this room?
So to get a little bit of vibrancy into this room, we're going for a teal blue color for this and this wall, and we'll offset a lighter off-white color for the remaining wall. We're giving wall paneling out here, and for this side we're just doing shelves, so if they want to keep anything, it's for that.
And how about the furniture?
Yeah, furniture, like she said, she wants comfortable, but at the same time it has to be subtle, not too dark. So what we're doing is we're giving D-spacer, a 3-seater and a 2-seater, and also we're giving them a plunge, a single-seater that will offset it with a black color, so there's a little break in the furniture. With that, we're giving the globe center table and an Edward side table. And since there was a unit missing previously, we're giving an Aura TV unit so they have their space and everything for their devices.
And how about the balcony?
Balcony, we're giving 2 single-seaters Oasis. They're nice, they're comfortable, and for her that she wanted to spend all her time there, it'll be really great. Because the Oasis is a nice dark color, so to not let it look too loud, we're going to go for a lighter grey for the walls.
I'm really waiting for this transformation to happen. So the 48 hours are over. Let's see what the family has to say. How were the 48 hours?
I was not able to wait.
How about you, sir?
Yeah, it's like dream for us. We are very happy.
And you?
I am very happy about the excitement to them.
So without any further ado, I'll ask you to please proceed.
आकाश में जैसे इंद्रधनुष होता है ना, वो हमारे घर में उतर के आ गया है।
I feel so vibrant. I mean, it's radiating positive energy in me. Actually, this is more than my expectations. I'm going crazy right now.
It's like totally different, right? And you really like it.
I mean, it's just amazing.
Amazing.
I have
मन
no
एकदम चेंज
words.
हो गया।
ऐसा लग रहा है इस साल की दूसरी दिवाली we are celebrating. It's so cheerful, so good, so nice.
I'm completely enthralled by the Godrej Interior team. Kudos to the team. Really, cheers.
So to share this happiness, we've also invited some of your relatives.
बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable.
There is a surprise, a small surprise from the Godrej Interior team for you.
Oh, this is amazing. What a feel, yeah.
Now you're feeling the whole air and the beauty of the balcony, is it?
Just paradise, yeah.
So are you feeling like relaxed now that you're sitting here?
Very relaxed. This couch is just so comfortable. Thank you, Godrej Interior.
So this is how we transformed our winner Ritu and her family's home and lives. If you wish us to do the same with you, watch this space. This is Tanvi signing off. See you next time.